In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct the drawing scale in AutoCAD after changing units. This is an essential skill to ensure your designs and plans reflect accurate measurements, especially when switching between different units of measurement. We'll be working through an example today where we convert a drawing from inches to centimeters and then adjust the scale accordingly. Imagine you have a rectangular drawing that measures 150 inches by 100 inches. Our goal is to convert these dimensions into centimeters while maintaining the accuracy of the drawing's scale. To begin this process, open your drawing in AutoCAD. Now, first you'll want to type UN, which stands for units, and press Enter. This command will bring up the Drawing Units dialog box, where you can modify the unit settings of your drawing. In this window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Type. Here, you want to select Decimal, as it allows for maximum precision in your converted measurements. Next, you'll notice another drop-down for Insertion Scale. This is where you'll choose the unit you wish to convert to, which in this case is centimeters. Go ahead and select it, then click OK. With these changes, if we measure our rectangle now, it will still read as 150 by 100, but in centimeters, not inches. However, since 1 inch does not equal 1 centimeter, our measurements still aren't quite right. To correct the scale of the drawing, we need to scale it up accurately. Now we'll do this by first selecting the rectangle you want to scale. With the rectangle selected, type SC, which stands for Scale, and press Enter. This initiates the Scale command. Next, you'll be prompted to select a base point. The base point is essentially a reference point from which your object will be scaled, so select a point that makes sense for your drawing. Once you've established the base point, you'll need to input the scale factor. Since we know that 1 inch converts to 2.54 centimeters, enter 2.54 as your scaling factor and press Enter. By scaling with this factor, you ensure that every inch is accurately represented as 2.54 centimeters. After executing the Scale command, you'll notice your rectangle now reflects the dimensions converted from inches to centimeters accurately. This technique can be applied to any shape or object. Just make sure your scaling value is correct based on the units you are converting between. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure your drawings are always true to scale, regardless of the unit conversion. So go ahead and give it a try in your own projects, and watch as your accuracy in design improves. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more practical AutoCAD tips and tricks.